Most people think learning Pali is difficult, but learning Pali is very easy if you follow correctly. Uh, Today, uh, second lesson, passati, present tense verb, how to uh, write present tense sentences using this verb. So passati, he sees, oh daki. Sa passati, she sees, I daki. Te passanti, they see, on daki. Tuam passasi, ඔබ දකි. You see, ඔබ දකි. तुम्हे පස්සත, you all see, ඔබලා දකි. අහං පස්සාමි, I see, මම දකිමි. මයං පස්සාම, we see, අපි දකිනවා, අපි දකිමු. In this way, you can learn Pali. Ending, the verb's ending is changed. Ti, passati, he also passati, anti, passanti, si, passasi, passata, passami, passama. Try to practice. Practice will improve your knowledge. Thank you very much.